Hi, this is an example showing ProScore scoreboard working with a TV remote control. Yes, you heard that right. This is a TV remote control, and this is is from one of my TVs. And so, how come I can use this with the scoreboard? The trick is that we bought a USB receiver, which is this little USB dongle, and when you finish a simple programming exercise, which is very simple, these buttons can talk to the USB receiver, and this becomes a keypad. So this can be used to control the scoreboard. So with my little tablet, I write up like a simple diagram that shows you what the buttons do. So in this example, with this particular TV remote control, I pre-program, so this works like a keypad. So to start the scoreboard, as usual, I'll click the icon. On here, I'll just click enter on my remote. Enter, enter, and when it finishes, I'll just keep clicking the enter until it goes to the scoreboard. Okay, so this is the scoreboard. To start the clock, I'll just click this button here. That will start the clock. Press again to stop the clock. Okay, now to change the player, with a touch screen, I'll just click this area, but with the remote control, I'll click those arrows button, the left, right, or enter, it doesn't matter. It works the same. So when the ball is ported, I'll click the numbers, the digits button. So say 1 point. So 1, 3, another 1, and a 5, 1 and 7. So when the break is finished, you just carry on to the next player. And if I made a mistake, I can go back one step at a time. So the undo button or the E button is here. So I'll just click that, and that will go back one step on the scoreboard. You see here? So I'm actually going back one step at a time to the very beginning of the scoreboard. So this is as far as I can go. So you can correct your mistake. So when this frame is finished, the proper way to end this frame is to press the W button. So where is it? This will be here. So I'll press that to go to this frame or to the end frame screen. And I'm ready to confirm if this is the end of the frame. So if I do confirm, I have to press the green button on the remote, which is 3, because green is 3 points. So I press the 3. So this previous frame is ended with 1 frame added to the winner of the previous frame. And now we are ready to start the next frame. So again, to start the next frame, I'll click the C button, which is clock. So that's this button here. And the frame begins and the player rotates. And then we can just add pawns as usual. And then we change to the next player and so on. Now, if this player made a foul shot, so he's giving away pawns. So to do that, we have to click the F button. So this is the F button on this remote. So I'll click F. You see the F word here? So to give away pawns, we have to click the number of pawns. If it's a black, we'll click 7. When I click 7, 7 pawns will be added to his opponent. So now I'll push the 7 button. Now it's 20 pawns because of the 7 pawns being added. a second ago. So this is how you do it. Now, so it's f followed by the number of pawns to give away. So 5 in this example. Now, if he decides to take a free ball, what you will need to do is to press F twice. So let's look at this area here. I'll press F twice. F, F. Now we are in the free ball mode. So he will pot any other color ball and he will receive 1 point if he can pot it. So if he does pot the ball, I will add 1 point to him. So I'll press 1 here. So 1 point has been added. And now he is ready to pot the next color ball. For example, a pink. So we'll press 6 here. So the game goes on as usual. Now the good thing about using a keypad or remote control is that it's simple, and the same button engage or disengage a function. So for example, the clock button, I can stop or start the clock using the same button. And for foul shot, I could be here by mistake. So if that happens, I'll just keep pressing the same button until this message is dismissed. So for example, if I am attempting a free ball and I didn't pot any ball, so I didn't pot anything, so I'll just press the F button to dismiss the free ball mode, and the game will continue. Same as the menu. The menu structure is activated by pushing the M button. So this is the M button. So I'll press the M, it goes to the menu, and I can use the up down arrow on my remote control to choose a function. So let's say we do a re-rec. So I'll re-rec, enter, and scroll down to confirm by pressing enter again. So we are now having a re-rec game. So if you come to menu by mistake, or you want to exit the menu with the remote control, you press the same button, which is the M button, which I have assigned here. So menu, disengage the menu, menu, no menu. Or when you go to the win frame with the W button and you want to cancel, for some reason you want to cancel this win frame, you press the same W button to exit. You see the difference? So if you want to return to the scoreboard, say you came here by mistake, remember you can always push the same button to return you to the scoreboard. And to do it on the touchscreen, it's pretty much the same, but you have to find out where the buttons are. The buttons I mentioned were hidden under the pawns word. So if you touch the pawns with the touchscreen only, you can go to the foul, free ball, or cancel. So for pawns, you can undo with this hidden menu. See? Undo. So if you want to go to menu, you press the hidden, you go to the hidden menu, press M, it goes to the M menu. And if you came here by mistake, you can exit the menu. But to exit the menu, you have to press the exit button, so which is here. Then it would return you to the menu. And if there is a winner on the frame, you just go to the hidden menu and press W. And now you can confirm the winner of this frame. And if you come here by mistake, the exit button is down here. You can see there is an exit button. So that will take you back to the scoreboard without having to choose a winner. So this is pretty much about everything you need to know for basic scoreboard operation. If you have any other question, send me an email. Thank you.